Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Study of Science with राहुल केशरवानी। आप सब लोगों का बहुत सारा कमेंट्स मिला, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स भी आए और उसमें आप लोगों ने ये भी लिखा है सर आगे भी इसका वीडियो कंटिन्यू करिए प्लीज। सो लेट बहुत सारे वीडियो में कमेंट्स में ये भी आया सर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव डेविएशन आज तक हमें समझ में नहीं आया, सो प्लीज सर इस पर भी वीडियो बनाइए। सो don't worry, I will make the video related with the positive deviation and negative deviation. So basically आज आपको मैं पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करूंगा कि पॉजिटिव डेविएशन और नेगेटिव डेविएशन में क्या डिफरेंस है। तो उससे पहले जो मेरे इस चैनल पर नए हैं प्लीज सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन को प्रेस कर लें एंड आल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर न्यू वीडियो अपडेट्स, राइट। सो बेसिकली आप सब जानते हैं कि सॉल्यूशन हैव टू कंपोनेंट्स, दैट इज solute and second one is the solid, right? When solute is adsorbed on the surface of adsorbent, then it is called positive adsorbs. Positive adsorbs means जब भी कभी सॉल्यूशन में से ओनली सॉल्वेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स आर एडजॉर्ब on the adsorbent, then this type of adsorption is called positive adsorption, right? In this case the concentration of solute that is adsorbent is higher at the surface as compared to bulk is called positive adsorption, right? Why? In case of negative adsorption, when solvent is adsorbed on the surface of adsorbent, then it is called negative adsorption. Then it is called negative adsorption, right? In this case, the concentration of solution increases from initial concentration. Means when solvent is absorbed, means the solvent quantity becomes low and then the concentration of solution increases. So basically when solute term is used for the adsorbent molecule, then this is called positive adsorption, right? And when solvent molecules are used, then it is called negative adsorption, right? Now, one more thing is that for positive and negative adsorption is that in case of positive adsorption, when the concentration of adsorbate is higher at the surface of what? Adsorbent. At the surface of adsorbent as compared to bulk, called as positive adsorption, right? Now in case of negative adsorption, when concentration of adsorbate is higher in bulk, after adsorption, called as negative adsorption. Means when adsorption takes place, then the molecules of adsorbate goes into the bulk of the adsorbate, and that type of adsorption is called negative adsorption. As you know, adsorption term is basically used for the surface phenomena. Means when at the surface takes place, then it is called positive adsorption. When after adsorption molecules goes inside the material, then it is called negative adsorption, right? Remember that. And take one example for clearing all the doubts related with the positive adsorption and negative adsorption. When we take the blood charcoal, what is blood charcoal? Blood charcoal means the powder of blood cells. Blood charcoal. When blood charcoal is mixed with concentrated solution of KCl, potassium chloride, then this shows positive adsorption. Right? While when blood charcoal is taken with dilute solution of KCl, then it shows negative adsorption. Right? So these are the concepts related with the positive adsorption and negative adsorption. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and please press the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.